RKO. Get up. So cold center. Boom!
Woo! Go Sebastian! Woo!
Whoa.
Beat him! Beat him!
Get up. Come on. Whoever gets hurt, win! Are you ready?
I'm gonna take a shower. We're gonna leave like at 1.
What?
Yeah.
Oh,
We'll come back. Right when we come back, we'll go to the pool.
Pin me, pin me. Try to go 1, 2, 3. Try to go 1, 2, 3.
Where?
Oh!
To school.
What? I already changed.
But it's barely 11, mamita. Junior! Oh, you look so pretty.
Take everyone.
No.
The whole house.
No.
Okay, give me some water, Sarah. Come on, Lily. Go. 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 This is God. Do that. What? Go. This is God. This is Spider. Dad, what are you doing?
Try to do the handstand.
That's not a handstand.
I know, but...
Dad, move, move, move.
Because you will have plenty of opportunities.
It's time for the special.
Come on, Sebas, you got him down really good last time. Get him like that. Go. Junior.
Did that hurt?
Be careful with his head. He's like, no, this hurt. Get back up, get back up.
Come on, come on.
Oh. Come on, Sebas, you can get him, get him. Beat him up, beat him up.
1, 2. Oh.
Get him, get him.
Go down.
Guys.
1, 2, 3.
Let me get what's healthy.
No, there's no 3 right there. Stephanie, you count the 1, 2, 3.
Where's the phone?
You had it.
It's under the table. Tell me when you give up. You give up?
Oh, I need water. Break.
You give up? Okay. You get a break.
Junior, do the little practices you did.
No, get off the bed.
The practices you did, Junior.
Whoa.
The one where he had to tackle you.
Okay, Sebastian.
See how strong he is.
Time for tackling.
To have proof on film.
Time for tackling.
This boy is strong.
Time for tackling. Okay, go. Tackle. Told you, get some speed.
Do what he showed you, Sebas.
Oh,
Go again. Get some speed, though. Get some speed.
Do what he showed you, Sebas. Stand up like he told you.
Wait, stand like I told you. He's just too pissed off. Stand like I told you.
You have anger issues, yo.
Go.
Little Sebas. Poor baby's tired.
Okay. Oh no, it's my turn. closer. Get closer. No!
Whoa! You don't have to be so mean.
It doesn't hurt him.
That doesn't hurt.
Okay, wrestling.
I'm busy.
Oh.
No, desert. Oh.
One, two, three. Oh, he kicked out. 1, 2.
Sebas, do
three.
something.
Ding, ding. Oh. The winner.
Oh.
The winner. You lost. Wait, hold up. You gotta do the last part. 1, 2, 3. I win. You can
Junior
pause.
feels happy because there's someone small he could wrestle with and he could do all his little flips.
Okay, Tosh. Pause. Turn it off. Turn it off.
You quit, Sebas? Huh? You're tired? You died?
Get off, Tosh. Turn it off.
What about you, Steph? You wrestle? Show them you can wrestle. Beat Junior down like you did. A girl beating a guy.
It's called letting her.
Yeah.
Ben and Stephanie, you want to show them how you tackle? Okay, Tosh, pause it. I want to see it.
No, you can't even see it on here anyway. As soon as I'm done, the battery's low.
Yes, you can see it on there. You just won't hear voices.
Ah, you can't do the handstand. Or headstand.
I'm gonna try. Take a picture. Look it.
Boop. Okay, here's the picture. There you go. There you go. Okay, I got it. I got it. You could move now. I got it. No.
Go do some more.
Later.
Take a picture because this. One more picture.
My job. I thought you understood that.
That's my turn.
My turn. My turn, Sebas. My turn.
You guys wrestle. You guys are so funny when you hurt each other.
Who?
My turn. My turn. My turn after smash. My turn again.
Korea, Germany.
Okay, go.
My turn
Sebas.
again.
Out. You're done, Sebas.
Last
Out.
time you're done.
You're done.
They weren't long enough for you to sit down and open the bar.
Okay, my turn.
I thought you understood that.
Boom. My turn. Only one time for that.
You know that hurt.
Boom. Stephanie, catch.
Oh. Bah! Oh, good. Did you see that? Went in under
Come
me.
on, Sebas.
Under me! Oh.
Okay, let's tackle now.
I'm not tackling.
Okay, Sebas, come on, let's tackle.
Stand like he told you to.
You're not going to be able to do it if you don't stand how I told you to. So go over there. Oh, get off the bed. Okay, go.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Go Sebastian! Woo!
It's the party. It's my birthday.
Woo! Get it, Sebastian! Get it!
Whoa.
Go again.
Ha.
Someone's mad.
Sebas, you tackle, you don't retard.
Stop calling him a retard.
Go get you get it. Go. Oh.
Sebas, no, tackle. Tackle him.
Tackle him. Don't just keep flipping.